Okay, so this is gonna be just a little shop update. What's been going on for us, what we've been doing. We've been moving a lot of machines. We're getting ready. We got 5 new machines coming in. We got lasers, sanders, filters, paint booth. That's gonna help a lot with the paint. Pretty much we got a lot of stuff going on right now, but I'll show you guys pretty much what we got going on. So we moved the router to this side. We got another laser on this side. The CNC press brakes are 250. The big boys right back there. We got this laser right here, and then the milling we got it on this side. As you guys can see now, we got this big of a space right here. So this is where we're gonna be setting the new laser, a 5K laser that we're gonna have, that it's gonna be enclosed, so it's gonna be super nice. We already did the plumbing for the nitrogen that we use for the cutting. Back here, we got the shipping department. This is where we do most of the shipping. On this side is where we ship pallets. And then back here, we got the welders. So pretty much here is where the guys do the welding, the polishing, all this. I'll show you guys pretty much a couple of stuff that we got going on right now. These are some rear panels that we are working right now. These are rear panels that are finished. Deck plate boxes, steps, bumpers, more rear panels. So we got a lot going on right now. Like I was saying before, this is where we do the fabrication, and then in the other shop is where we do the installs. The paint booth is gonna be coming in for the other shop. Also, we are getting CNC sewing machines, so we wanna start offering new patterns pretty soon, so stay tuned. Okay, so after 6 months since we ordered the machines, they're finally here. I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much what we order, what it does, how it's gonna help us do on what we do, and pretty much why we did this big purchase. So in total, we ordered 4 new machines. We got a CNC laser 5K, we got a L filter for the hot shop, we got a sander, and we also have a paint booth. Today I'm just gonna be showing you part of what we're doing so far. The paint booth, it still needs to be assembled, but pretty much I'll show you guys. So this is the 5K laser that we just got today. So pretty much this is not like your regular laser. It's gonna be a side loading machine. So pretty much the table is gonna be coming outside. It's enclosed. So pretty much as soon as we start doing the cutting out the metal dust, it's got a system that is gonna filter everything. So now me and the guys and the actual shop is gonna stay cleaner. Pretty much, this is a pretty simple system. We got a computer on this side. The guys are gonna be able to load the job in here. This machine has LED lighting, it's got cameras, it's got it all. So this is like a fully loaded CNC laser machine. We still got another one. We got a 3K laser, but the thing is that one is not enough for the amount of work that we got going on. And now we're gonna be able to ship faster the products. So that's something that everybody likes. For example, bumpers right now, we usually take 2 to 3 weeks to ship out because of the amount of orders. Now we're gonna be coming down to a week to 10 days to ship out. So for custom bumpers, so that's gonna be pretty fast. Right now we're doing out the electrical. We got the cooling system on the back. So this, it's a pretty nice machine. I cannot complain. So the other thing that we got is, so how we do a lot of polishing here and how we do a lot of cutting. pretty much all the time we get a lot of dust on the air, huge air system. So pretty much what it's gonna be doing is gonna be sucking air from the top, and then on the bottom it's got these nice filters. So pretty much out the air on the whole shop is gonna be cleaner. All the machines that they're gonna be hooked to this. So pretty much this is gonna help us a lot, cleaning pretty much everything on the shop. Next thing that we got this is a CNC sander machine. So pretty much what you do, you load the piece on this side, it's gonna go through it, and then the sandpaper that is inside is gonna have a nice finish in the outside and then in the inside. So for example, when we are loading up these pieces, this is a visor. Sometimes on the table of the laser, it's gonna get a scratch. And for example, now the guy is doing all the cleaning, it doesn't look 100%. So this machine is gonna help us make it look 100%. Once the guys load the pieces on this, they're just gonna be going through it, and then on the other side, you're gonna be getting a finished product. This is everything is brand new, as you guys can see. So now we got electricians coming in to hook all these up. This one is gonna be hooked to the same system that I just showed you guys, and also it's got a vacuum on the table. So as soon as you put something in here, it's not going to move. It's gonna stay in place. So from the shop, I'll show you guys. This is like big changer. This is a big game changer here for us at the shop. That's nice. That's a new fan that we just got. That thing is nice for Florida. Right now we're like on the 90s. That thing, you load it with water, you have it on, and believe me, it helps a lot with the temperature. Stay tuned so you can see how the paint booth comes together, and once everything is moving again, we're gonna be making another video with a shop update so you can see it working.